Hey there, I am Joe Hafner, the owner of Hafner Real Estate, and it's time for another 1-minute real estate tip, so listen fast. When you buy a new home, one of the first things you need to do is change all of the locks. You don't know who had those keys, right? So you don't have to necessarily bring a locksmith out to rekey all of those locks. That can get pretty expensive. Go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot, go to your local hardware store and buy new lock sets. You can get doorknobs and deadbolts. You can get them in a package or you can get them individually. But here's your tip. Flip that package over and on the back there is a key code. If you get locks, doorknobs, deadbolts that match that key code where they're the same on every package, all of those will be keyed to the same key. So get a matching key code from the same brand and all of your doors will have the same lock and it'll be cheaper than bringing a locksmith out to do the whole work. So if you want more tips about what to do when you're moving into a new house, check out the link below. We'll see you next time.